In this video, I'm about to compare Kalodata and FastMoss. Kalodata and FastMoss are both data services platform, but they focus on different aspects. Kalodata is a data services platform offering a range of solutions designed to help businesses manage, analyze, and optimize their data. It provides cloud services, data analytics, and insight aimed at improving decision-making and operational efficiency. However, the platform can be complex for smaller businesses or those with less technical expertise. FastMoss is a cloud storage and data processing platform designed to provide fast, scalable solution for managing large amount of data. It focuses on delivering high-performance services with an emphasis on speed and ease of use. However, it may lack some advanced features needed by larger enterprises for more complex data processing tasks. Overall, FastMoss is better for speed and scalability, while Kalodata excels in comprehensive data solutions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.